Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are exploring one of St Helier most charming spots, Liberty Wharf here in beautiful Jersey. A perfect blend of history, shopping, great food and island vibes. Let's take a walk and see what makes this place so special. We are stepping into Liberty Wharf. Liberty Wharf was once a historic Victorian warehouse, and now it's a vibrant shopping and dining destination right here on the marina in St Helier. This place is a beautiful restored Victorian building at the gateway of St Helier and only 5 minutes walk from the harbour and bus station. Liberty Wharf invites you to shop, dine, meet, and relax in the vibrant heart of St Helier. From boutique stores and cozy cafes to artisan market and cultural event, every corner offers something special to explore. If you like this tour, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel and walking tours and drop a comments below. Have you been to Liberty Wharf or is it on your travel list? Thank you for watching.